What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Consider subscribing if you're looking for more content. Weekly, I'm going to give you advice on how to live your best outdoor life. Today, we're going to be installing this set of LED taillights on my tow rig here. It's a very simple install, something that'll just improve the looks of your car, your tow rig, without really affecting any functionality. This was a pretty easy mod, and let's get right to it. The newest modification for my truck just came in. Inside this box, we have two taillights that I picked up from an American truck. I did order them yesterday morning, and they actually arrived within one day, which is pretty awesome. We'll go ahead and open this up quick. I'll show you what they look like, and then we'll get to installing them on the truck. So what we got right here are two super nice taillights with a smoked out cover. Can see here, they are an LED upgrade. They do work for any Ram without the factory LED lights already installed, so this is going to be a nice upgrade for my truck. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's take a look here. So you can see it does come with both taillights, left and right. They are an LED with this really neat box surround, which is pretty cool. It does come with the wiring harness for both of them, a ballast as well, and then of course some plugs in there that you may need. So everything is within the package. As I mentioned, these do fit the 2008 to 2018 Ram 1500s. They are a plug-and-play installation, so those adapters that are included will make it so that all there is a couple connections, and you can drop these right in, no wiring necessary. So starting the install here, the only tool you'll need is a T20 Torx screwdriver. You can use a Torx bit if that's what you prefer. This is a pretty easy process here. So we're going to take this. We're going to go over here. There's two T20 screws on both sides here. You're going to go ahead and remove those. And you can see the light already wants to pop out, so you're just going to come around to the side here. And the only thing left to do is disconnect the harnesses. Here's a comparison of the two lights side by side. You can see the one on the right has a much darker backing to it. It's actually not a smoked lens, it just has the black backing on it to make it look smoked. And you can see the one on the left here is just that straight red factory look. The reason I am doing this is because you see there is a ginormous hole inside of my taillight, and for PA to pass state inspection, it does have to have a fully functioning taillight. The next step here is to connect all of the connectors to the right areas. Now we've got the two connected. There is a little red locker piece here. I did have to kind of push it back against this to get it to snap into place right. But once you have that in, you can slide the red lock forward. Additionally, you can see the other one goes into the bottom there. The next step is to install this ballast. It does have a matching plug on the adapter, so go ahead and click those together. And then once it's together, it does have some automotive 3M tape on the back here. You can peel that right off, and then I'm going to attach it right in here. Just so you can see what everything looks like wired up here. We do have the white to this bottom adapter, the white that goes to the ballast, and then the black that goes into the main light harness. Together they come into one connection, which is what is used on the back of the light. You can see the connector right there. So we'll go ahead and move forward with getting this installed. All right, so we're going to work on installing the second light. Again, we'll need the same tool, the TX20 Torx bit. Go ahead and remove the screws here in the corner. From there, we'll go over to the side here, just pull out our light. There are some clips here in this edge, so we'll have to be careful of those pulling it out, but that's kind of what's holding it back right now. And once you have it removed, you can go ahead and work on disconnecting all of the connectors. So the one at the bottom here, this one should just pop off straight, nice and easy. And then you have your one up top here. There is a locking tab here on the top, so you can push that back and then work this connector off. From there, we'll grab our harness. We'll start connecting those pieces. This black tab up here goes in the top. Hear a little click, and then you'll be able to slide the locking tab up in place. The bottom here just clicks right in. As long as you put it the right way. The next piece we need here is the ballast. So this connects via the white here. You can remove the red 3M backing, and I'm going to stick it right up in here. Just press that on. There, we'll just work on tucking up these wires. Grab our new tail light. This connects via the one plug that we have available left right in here. There is a locking tab on this, so we will slide this on. It will click in place. And push the locking tab up and you're good to go. Well, let's work on tucking all these wires back in here. Line these up, click into place, and then we can install our screws. Just to give it a quick test, just like that, you've got your lights.